What is going on, guys and gals? Fitzy here. Just got to the water. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We're all loaded up, ready to go. Fishing out of the kayak today. And I'm pretty excited. We got a brand new kayak. It's a Nucanoe U10. It's a very stable platform. It's going to be a great platform to fish from. So without further ado, let's get out there. We're going to find a spot. We're going to get set up. I got an anchor on both the front and the back. And we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, oh yeah, this thing is like a big old bass boat. First paddle, baby. I've owned a lot of boats in my day, man. And to be quite honest with you, this doesn't paddle too bad for being a 41-inch kayak. It's only 10'10". I think pedals pretty smoothly. Not bad at all. It's definitely not a speed demon, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. Here's our island, my friends. Here's our island that we're gonna set up on. Started off a little chilly this morning, but it's already starting to warm up. I don't know what it's supposed to get up to today. Like, I don't know, maybe 80 something, 85, 90. It's supposed to be like 90 something tomorrow, but yeah, man, this is gonna be our spot right here on this island. For those that watch the channel, you've seen me fish out of here before. We're just going to kind of anchor up against this island and use the boat as a wicked big rod pod. Okay, here we are, the whole kayak setup. We got the Nucanoe U10. We got it anchored in at the back here. There's our little Scotty anchor. We just got it kind of sitting there on the island. Got a little tackle crate storage right here in the back. We got some bait and our hook baits, our pack bait, camera gear, all that kind of stuff. Nice little comfortable chair to sit in. We'll probably be wading in the water for most of it. Got a little pad right here for the fish. When we take them out of the water and get a look at them, we got a nice cushiony pad, carp pad to lay them on. I've got my rod holder and my rod. I've got a nice little Sonic 8-foot extractor rod, which is great for travel. It's nice and compact. We've got inside this bag here, I still got to take it out. We've got a net, carp net, and a sling. Got our paddle clipped in over here, and then up front here we've got the anchor wizard, and we've got the front anchored. So that's basically our setup right here. Beautiful. And if we wanted to, and if this doesn't produce the spot here, we can pull up anchor and try another spot. So for our pack bait, we've got the usual. We've got about 40+ ounces of Quaker instant oats, 2 cans of sweet cream corn, and 2 packets of strawberry Jello mix. That's the pack bait. And our hook bait will be some commercial boilies. Real quick on the rod, I already covered a Sonic Extractor 8-foot. It's a 3-pound test curve. We've got I think 30-pound monofilament on there, just to protect against bite-offs or cut-offs from zebra mussels. We've got a 1.75 ounce Corda bait-up method lead. Got a size 4 hook, hair rig style. And then for a bite alarm, I'm using this basically, I guess, an inline alarm system. So you turn it on, you run the wire or the line through here, and when a fish takes it, sets it off. So that's what we're using for our bite alarm. So yeah, let's go ahead and get packed up, and we'll get fishing. All right. Okay, we are baited up, my friends. Baited up. Don't need to throw it out very far. Right there is perfect. up just a little bit. Run our line through here and there. Turn this thing on. And we got the bait runner too that we'll set. And we got rods in the water. Or rod in the water, I should say. Just got the one rod. And usually we do pretty well here, man. Usually get a few fish, so shouldn't take too long. Gotta get these rocks out of my Crocs. Oh yeah, we got one. There we go, we got one. We got one, my friends. We're gonna get out of the boat. Oh, don't go into that wood, don't go into that wood. He's gonna go in that wood. Oh no, oh no. Ah, I lost him. He went in the wood and I lost him. Ah, you son of a gun. Ah. Broke off my hook and everything. Son of a gun. Oh man. Broke the hook right off. There's a stump. There's a big old like tree trunk right in front here. That's just the tip of it right there. You see at the surface of the water, but he went right that way and somehow broke off my hook doing that. Alright, let's get our stuff back together, get back out there. That's disappointing, man. First take. I had one messing with it before, but oh, I hate mono, man. I freaking hate monofilament. Such pain. Come on, dude. How does this happen? I know we just got one with the boilie, but I'm gonna go ahead and put fake yellow corn on this next setup. I don't know why, just gonna. So yeah, we'll do some fake yellow corn. See how that works for us. For our hook bait. It's probably about 9 o'clock now, so rods have been on the water for, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes or so. Half hour. Good sign that we got one, but not good that we lost them. Okay, baited back up. We got the fresh rubber corn on there for hook bait. Let's see what happens. Right about where we want it. There's my little clip at. They're all set. Bait is in, my friends. Bait is in. I gotta see what time it is. Like I said, I think it's about 9. 9:18. 9:18. We're gonna stay right here in the water. Got a feeling there's gonna be a bait or a bite happening pretty quick, like. I want to be ready for it. Hopefully we can avoid them going into that wood out there and getting caught up. And keep them off here to the front and to the right. That's where we want to keep them. There's a ton of fish showing, man. I've seen probably 10 fish surface over the last hour or so, if not more. We literally just put the rod in the water like 2 minutes ago. We're already getting some hits, so I think something's pecking at the pack bait. That's a tongue twister. Pecking at the pack bait. Pecking at the pack bait. Yeah, something's hitting it now, so pecking away. So hopefully we get a take here shortly. The water in front of us is probably, I'd say, 8 to 10 feet. We're in about, I don't know, knee high, about a couple feet of water right now, but it drops off fairly quickly. It's like a little channel out there in front, little channel part of the river. River's split, a couple islands right here. There's another like island peninsula area there. This is like the main river. There's a canal on the other side of that peninsula, so it's a very diversified, I guess you could say, section of the river. You know, there's there's shallow areas, there's deep areas. I fish here a lot for bass, for smallmouth bass. It's a pretty productive spot. It's nice because you got some deep water to fish. You've got some nice shoal areas to fish, and so it's just a nice diversified section of the river. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, we got a nice one. Oh yeah. This thing never went off. I don't know why. Oh yeah. I just threw it in there. Oh yeah, there we go. I see him. It's way out there. My friend's way out there. I don't want him going into that wood though. Come here. I'm gonna work him over this way. No. Don't go in that wood on me, buddy. Come on. It's our second take. We lost the first one due to a cutoff. I'm gonna try to bring him over here. Over here to the right. I'd rather get you in the weed than the hard wood. There we go. Yeah, my friends. There he is. First fish. I don't know why this little bite alarm thing didn't go off. He's in some weed now, but that's okay. It's not super thick, I don't think. Oh yeah, come here. Come here, my friend. Come here, my friend. Yeah, he's coming over this way. Perfect. Gotta get the net here in a second. Feels decent, man, but I don't know. Still haven't seen him. He's like right there and I can't see him. He's all right. He's all right. He's nothing super huge, but that's okay, man. I'll take it. On the fake yellow corn, we switched up the hook bait. I'm gonna go back to a boilie though after this fish here. We had to take on the boilie. That's the one that got cut off on us. All right, come here, buddy. Whoa, falling over here. Holy cow, come on. What's, you gotta be kidding me. My net's hooked on something. Come here. Thank you. There we go. Got the net. Little chaos going on here. Thank you. We got him in. We got him in the net. That's a little messed up, but we got him in the net. There he is. Sweet. He's in the net, my friends. He's nothing super huge, but first fish landed. Second take. He's not bad, man. He's not a bad fish. We'll get the hook out. and then we'll get a weight on them. There we go, hook's out. Okay, there we go. Got a weight on them, about 10.5 pounds. Nothing huge, but first catch, I will take it. Young guy, young gun. We'll get him back in the water. All right, man, we're right here, so simple release. And there he goes. Get bigger, buddy. Get bigger. We'll catch you maybe 3, 4, 5 years from now. Who knows? All right, man. First fish. No skunk, no blank. I gotta find a better place for my net. Oh, these things get so heavy when they got water saturating the net itself. Maybe I'll just leave it right here, like so. I don't know. Just leave it right here. I'll leave it right here for now. We'll figure out a spot, because that's not going to work. It got hung up. All right, we'll get baited back up and get it back out there. I'm going to put the boilie on. Go back to the boilie for the hook bait. So, got one with the corn. Got a take with the boilie. We'll get another take with the boilie. That first one that I lost, again, that was with the boilie hook bait. That felt like a good one, but we'll never know. So yeah, what time we got here? 10:17. It's 10:17, so we're gonna fish maybe until about 1 o'clock at the latest. So we got a few more hours to go. We should hopefully get another one. Time will tell. Okay, baited back up. Got the boilie on there. Commercial grade, I forget what flavor it is, man. I'm not bothering with that bait runner. It's not that alarm indicator, bite alarm. It doesn't seem to be working today. Worked great the other day on the shore, but this bait feeder's pretty loud, so it acts as a bait alarm unto itself. Okay, rod is back in, man. Let's get another one. I got Crocs, man. That's the problem with Crocs. Crocs are kind of a pain in the butt. I got Crocs in my Crocs, man. It's driving me crazy. You scoop them out. A couple steps later, you're right back having rocks in the Crocs. Should have brought my other water shoes. Come on, let's get another one. There we go. Oh yeah, don't go to the wood. Keep going to the wood. Oh my God. He's gonna get in that wood. I need him to come right. Go down. Go down river, dude. There he goes. He's going down river. Nice. He's going down river. Come on. Down river, buddy. Down river. Come on. Down the river. Yes. Yes. Nice. That's one definitely feels bigger than the last one. Rods weren't in there very long, or rod. You know what I meant. Keep tripping on this rock. Big rock. Tripped on like 2 or 3 times now. Now he's getting in the weed, but that's okay. I'd rather him be in the weed than the wood. There we go. We got him out. We got him out of the weed. He's buried in there pretty good. This is a good sized fish. Oh, there he is. I see him. We got ourselves a decent fish right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We got a decent fish. Come on. Definitely bigger than the first, that's for sure. It's a battle on this 8-foot rod, man. Come on, we'll get this net ready here. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, these trees overhead there. Oh, this is a nice fish. The size of that mouth. Oh, this is a nice fish. Oh, yeah. This is a nice fish. Oh, yeah. He's in the net, my friends. All right. This is a good sized fish right here. Got a huge mouth. Huge. Oh, let's get him over here. Booyah. All right, we're going to get this hook out of him. He is big. He's a big pig, man. Big pig. Big pig. Big pig carp. Big pig carp. There we go. Hook is out. All right. Whew. We'll let him chill out in there for a little bit. Get our sling and everything cleaned up. Get a weight. I'll show him off to you. This is a beauty. This might be, it might be knocking on 20, man. He's long. He's not super fat, but he's long. I mean, look at this mouth, man. Look at this mouth. Look at it. Big old fish. Yeah. All right. There it is, man. The boilie. Somebody asked me to start fishing commercial boilies or boilies in general, which I do on occasion. So I finally went and bought some commercial boilies. And I do believe, just from fishing with my buddy Jay, I think the boilies catch a big fish. Homemade or commercial. I mean, I don't know for sure, but that's just a guess of mine. But I definitely, well, I think at least that they catch a big fish, so. And this is a big fish. All right, we'll get him on the sling here. Okay, my friends, we got a nice 18.5 pounder. All right. Oh, he's long. He is long fish. Not super fat, but super duper long. Hopefully we can get him up without dropping him. There he is. Oh yeah, 18.5 pounds. Beautiful. I'll take that, man. I'm a happy camper. Right here made the trip out here worth it. Anything else after this is a bonus. Oh, let's get him back in the water. There he goes. There he goes. Awesome. Yeah, buddy. Awesome. Awesome. Where's my rag? There's my rag. Oh yeah. Okie dokie, man. Fish number 2. Whew. That battle wore me out, man. That battle on the 8-foot rod was a little bit of current was a challenge, to say the least. So we're gonna get picked up here, get our net back together, get baited back up, get back out there. It's like I don't know, 10:45 or something like that. All right. Just had a big splash right there, right in front, right there. Oh, monofilament, why? Okay, we're in, man. We're in. Sweet. Get a little coffee. Ah. Jeez, we're getting a hit already. I literally just put it in the water. Pick that hook bait up, baby. Pick that hook bait up. Get it in your mouth. Hook that lip. Oh, yeah. We got one. We got one. There we go. It feels good. There he is. I see him. He just came to the surface. Oh yeah, he feels pretty darn good. It's going towards the weed. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Stay high. I think when they stay high, stay high. Oh, this is a good one. He's going right into the weed. Come on. Right into the weed. Maybe he's coming over this way. Come on over this way. I'd be cool with that. Oh, yeah. Oh, I lost him. I lost him. Oh, son of a gun. Oh, you son of a gun. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. I lost him. Oh. Well, we lost that one. I tried working him too hard. Trying to keep him out of the weed, but should have just gone easier. But rod's back in. Rod had only been in for maybe 10 minutes, so it's probably about 11:20, 11:30ish. I'll look real quick. But the time we got 11:24. So yeah. Like I said, we'll fish until noon. Should have had that one. It felt like a really nice one too. He's not going to hit again after tasting the hook, but maybe there's another one out there that'll hit it. Flies and spiders all over me. All right. Oh yeah. There we go, another take. This one feels nice. Wish they would swim right at me. That'd be cool. Oh, he's swimming, but he's coming in. He's coming in for that wood. That's what he's doing. He's coming in for that wood. Come on. I want to get him high. I don't want him getting that wood. Come on, man. Don't get in that wood. Please don't get in that wood. There he goes. He's coming back this way. Oh, don't get in that wood. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, he's in that wood. There he is. Come on. He's not super huge. We're going to kind of muscle him in. Just to bring him in. There he is. I see him. We got him nice and high. There we go. Yeah, he's a little guy. I'll take it. Not super little, buddy. Let me go with the weed. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. Stay safe, brothers. He's not huge, but he's not bad. He's probably in that 10-pound range, I'd say. That double-digit range. Ah, come on. There he goes. He's in the net. In the net. Once again, we'll get this hook out. We'll get a quick weight on him. And then I'll show him off to you. All right, man. Fish number 3. All right, we just got to wait. 12.5 pounds. Sorry for the sun. I know you're facing the sun, Mr. Camera, but yeah, 12.5 pounds. All right, man. Get him back in the water. Gorgeous. There he goes. He's a feisty one. He's a feisty one. So yeah, it's what time is it? 11:41. So close enough to noon. I think we're gonna call it quits with that 3rd fish. Got the 3 fish, lost 2, and you know, not too bad for a, you know, 3.5 hour, 3 hour session. No complaints. Enjoyed fishing out of the new kayak. It's a very nice platform, and yeah, that's about it. So as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.